What I'm going to do here is to teach you step-by-step process to win bet with Sofascore app. If you don't have Sofascore app, let me go back. Go to your Google Play Store app. Let me look for Google Play Store very quick. Then you search for Sofascore app. Let me type Sofascore app. I already have Sofascore, so I will open the app here. So since I open the app, you can see matches that are available. It's on live. Let me take off the live match and I'll show you. No, I don't want live match, something like that. Show you step by step procedure how you can use Sofascore to win bet. So let's take this team as an example. You vote and see the number of people who are voting for the home team, which is Fenerbahce or whether Fenerbahce or whatever it is. So when you check for them both team to score, you give them yes, meaning the probability of people voting for both team to score is not yeah, it's yes, it can happen. You who score first, let me vote for the home team because I know, and they said 90% that the home team will score, as you can see. So Sofascore is one of the most app which can help you to win bets. I hope you understand. I hope you people understand what I'm saying right now. So let's go to their matches. You can see they gave Sofascore the home team win here. But let's focus on head to head, and they gave the home team, how do we call it, the odds, they painted it yellow, showing that the home team is stronger than the away team. Let's read what they written here. They say when the odds are 1.33, the expected chance of winning is 75%, but the Fenerbahce actually wins 83% of the time with these odds. So I think that's it. Selected home team. Away team. Let me vote for one of them because I don't know what. So the away team, I don't know here. Let's go to matches because what we need here is the matches. They say no loses for they just talk about only the away team. No loses, less than 2.5 goals, less than 10.5 corners. So you can just go to your Sportybet app and select one of them. And here we have Sparta Praha and Shamrock Rovers. So let's go to matches, and you just go to matches. As you can see, Sparta Praha, they gave Sparta Praha winning probability 90% and painted it yellow, meaning this one is very, very powerful, and it's 90% that the home team will win the game. Yeah. So they said when the odds are 1.18, the expected chance of winning is 85%, but the Sparta Praha actually wins 90% of the time with these odds. I hope you understand. So meaning the home team will also win this game. So let's go to the next game, and I'm showing you step-by-step procedure to win bet with Sofascore app. So as you can see here too, they gave their away team how do we call it, yellow sign, indicating the away team is actually going to win the game. When the odds are 1.48, expected chance of winning is 68%, but Ferencvaros TC actually wins 77% of the time with these odds, as you can see, and the team is very, very strong and powerful. So for both, this one away will win, this one home team will win, and this one too, the home team will win. So let's say we have us 3 teams here. Let me select this one too. I have Slovan, and let's go to matches, quick one. And there's no loses, meaning it's either they will play draw in this match, and they give the home team yellow symbol, indicating that When the odds are 1.95, the expected chance of winning is 51%. By SK Slovan Bratislava actually wins 75% of the time with this odds. So that one too. This one you can give home team one goal. Home team to score only one because the odds. So let's go through the away team. Sorry guys. That clean sheet more than two, less than two. They gave away team Jalo. Let's just go and bet for Malmo. So this is the process and procedure to win bet. Okay, yeah. So guys, please make sure you subscribe, you share, and you comment down below how I teach, whether you like it or you don't like it. Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Be part of this family. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the videos to any of your friends and family. Please be part of this great YouTube channel, which will help you and boost your financial with betting. Thank you. Let me see. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.